Shower heads.
Yeah. It's true for the money about come on my way. Go.
Obi Antone Coalition. Obi Antone Coalition. Yeah, be Obi Antone Coalition.
What else?
Doing the currency exchange right now. We just did a currency exchange. Right now, we about to take a walk through the market. We got dinner tonight at 8:30. We got a reservation to dress code restaurant. So, you know, I'm trying to keep moving. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good luck.
Yeah, I'm the feel of the nation. We African sisters sharing ideas together.
That's beautiful. Really talented. What do you use? Paint?
Yeah. Then I use fabric too. You see, this is made with fabrics.
Wow.
Fabrics like this. Yeah, this is made with the fabric. Right? That's the African print. You see the back goodies.
Yeah. It's a video.
Yeah. See, different colors, but one people. And there's a big ass.
It's raining though. You don't want to.
Yeah,
it's gonna
no,
get
like
wet.
rain. See, my work, it is washable. You can wash it. And it's foldable. You can fold it. Doesn't get that damage. But this one, each acrylic and canvas. It's the best answer. It's my boy. It's the best answer. You see, that's the one. It's a washable. It's raining.
Hold it for me. We gotta go.
You gotta get in the front.
I gotta get in the front.
Let me give you this one.
There's not enough time.
You can take the gun out. Let me give you the gun.
It's alright.
Boss, it's okay. Oh, yeah, Dindia man. Boss, oh, yeah, Landa man.
Enough time, man. Yeah, we can go.
This one, different one. This one's fabric one. This one's black one.
No, I'm alright. This one's good.
This
one's fine. I gotta leave.
No. See, look.
I got you.
It's done. Almost done, yeah.
I got you. We on the time? Your name. Yeah, we good.
You said you well, then the thing that
Sad.
I want you to crack me fair moon tin and woman say my wife mini dama. We need a woman.